As Canada's leading specialists in dry ice blasting, at Wickens, we work hard to ensure the equipment we sell is of the highest quality. We are proud to show you our latest dry ice blaster, the Viking 4000. Created by the Viking Blast team, this state-of-the-art machine has been designed by engineers and field experts. It has been developed with performance and ease of use to address common challenges technicians face on-site in multiple applications. The Viking 4000 boasts impressive durability and is strong enough to keep up with the operator when working in difficult and hard-to-clean areas. Made from robust, high-quality stainless steel, it is resistant to rust and oxidation, even in damp conditions, so you can work without worry of deterioration. The team at Viking Blast has maximized airflow with this model, ensuring superior quality and optimal results. The smooth airflow pathway ensures the power needed to tackle even the most challenging projects at 250 psi, while a simple dial allows you to perform gentle cleaning with ease at 40 psi. While other models can be complicated and produce average results, the Viking 4000 stands out for its user-friendly design and exceptional performance. This model has prioritized ease of operation, making it more accessible to users of varying expertise levels. Unlike many dry ice blasting machines tailored for international market, the Viking 4000 had been thoughtfully designed and built here in North America, specifically for the North American market in mind. We understand our customers' unique needs and demands, and we've ensured the Viking 4000 is tailored to meet or exceed expectations. To learn more about the Viking 4000 and how it can transform your cleaning operations, we invite you to visit our website at wickensdryiceblasting.com/equipment. Explore our extensive range of dry ice blasting solutions and discover the Viking 4000 specifications by getting in touch with our team for more information. Wickens Dry Ice Blasting is proud to be your trusted partner in delivering dry ice blasting excellence.